Hi everyone! Today we're going to talk about polygons. Our essential question is, what are polygons and how do we know what to call them? So let's take a look at what a polygon is. A polygon is a closed shape that has 3 or more sides. When we say closed shape, we mean that all of the sides connect. So if I were to draw something like this is not a closed shape because there's this opening right here between these 2 line segments. If I drew a shape like this, however, it is a polygon because all of the segments connect. There are no openings and it does have more than 3 sides. When talking about polygons, we can say that some polygons are regular polygons. If they are regular polygons, that just means they have sides with the same length and angles with the same size. So you can see right here, this is a regular polygon. Each of these little angles in here are the same size, and each of the lengths of the sides are the same as well. So this is a regular polygon. An irregular polygon is a shape that has sides and or angles that are not the same size. So look at this example here. We can see that a couple of the angles are the same, but the other ones are not. We could also see that the sides are not the same length. So this one is an irregular polygon. So now that we know that polygons are closed shapes that have 3 or more sides, and that there are regular and irregular polygons, we need to look at how we know what to call them. The names of the polygons are based off of how many sides that polygon has. So the names of polygons are determined by the number of sides a polygon has. So if we had a shape that started with tri, it would have 3 sides. If the polygon started with quad, it'd have 4. Penta is 5. Hexa is 6. Hepta is 7. Over here we can have a few more. Octa is 8. Nona is 9. Deca is 10. And then be careful, we jump one. This is dodeca, which is actually 12 sides. Now let's look at how we would take these prefixes here, these pieces of our words, and make them into the names of polygons. So if we have the word tri, we would actually add angle on the end of this one. So triangle. And you can see that tri at the beginning. Quad would be quadrangle. The rest of these, however, we just have to add gon at the end, like polygon. So we're just going to take this last part right here. So we'd have pentagon. It's all one word. Hexagon. So you can see just by adding gon to the ends of these, we make the name of the polygon. So a polygon with 7 sides is called a heptagon. Or a polygon with 9 sides would be a nonagon. Why don't you try the next 2? A polygon with 10 sides is called a, and a polygon with 12 sides is called a. Go ahead and pause the video and write the name of these 2 polygons. Okay, how'd you do? If you said a polygon with 10 sides is called a decagon, you would be correct. And if you said a polygon with 12 sides is called a dodecagon, you would also be correct. So using the number of the sides can help us figure out the names of these different polygons. Let's go ahead and turn to the back of your page now. I'm going to give you a chance to draw some of these shapes. So I would like you to draw and label the polygons that have 5 sides. So you're going to draw a shape here with 5 sides, and then you're going to write the name of that polygon right here. second one I want you to do has 6 sides. So draw the shape with 6 sides and write the name of it on this line. Our last one up here is 8 sides. So draw it with 8 sides and write the name of it. Down below, I'm going to let you be an artist today. You're going to create a picture using 1 quadrangle, 2 hexagons, and 4 pentagons. If you don't remember how many sides each of these have, you can turn it to the other side of the paper, and then you can remember how many sides they have. Be creative. Use these shapes to create an interesting picture down here, and you can add other details to your picture. When you are done with the back of this page, drawing and labeling your polygons, and being creative and creating a picture using these different polygons, please go back to the front of your page and write your 2 questions and write a nice summary of what we learned today. Have a great night.